If you're installing the top molding, start by positioning the molding with the cutout portions facing down. These cutouts will be positioned over the Rafix fittings. If you're including LED lights, make sure the cables fit within the routed groove on the molding. Now, measure 3 locations for the screws that will secure the molding. Screws should be drilled at least 3¼ inches from the sides of the cabinet and 2 inches from the front and back edge in order to prevent the screws from hitting the Rafix fittings. Now screw in 3 1¼ flathead wood screws into the marked locations. For extra security, you can screw in 2 additional screws closer to the back at 3¼ from the left and right sides of the cabinet. Now, if your bed has a side cabinet, repeat these steps for the crown molding, but 2 screws is all that is needed. There, the molding adds the finishing touch. And that completes the installation process. We hope you enjoy your new Murphy wall bed.